Alright guys, today we've got something seriously exciting to talk about. The upcoming Jeep Recon EV. If you're into rugged SUVs, off-road adventures, and the future of electric vehicles, this one is going to grab your attention. So here's the deal. Jeep is stepping into the all-electric world in a big way. And instead of making something soft or city-focused, they decided to build an EV that actually looks and feels like a real Jeep. And that's what makes the Recon so interesting. First off, let's talk about the design, because this thing looks tough. The Recon keeps that classic boxy shape we all associate with Jeep. It's upright, bold, and squared off in all the right places. You still get that iconic 7-slot grille look, but now it's reimagined for an electric future. The front lighting is sleek and modern, with LED light bars that give it a high-tech vibe, but it doesn't lose that aggressive personality. From the side, it has serious off-road proportions. Short overhangs, big tires, strong wheel arches. It looks ready to hit the trail straight from the factory. And yes, Jeep confirmed removable doors and an open-air experience. That alone is huge. It's very clear they want this to feel like a spiritual cousin to the legendary Jeep Wrangler, but in an electric form. Now let's talk about the powertrain. The Recon EV is fully electric, no gas engine involved. So technically, it's not a traditional hybrid, but it's still designed to give you strong performance and capability. Jeep is expected to use a dual-motor setup, meaning one motor in the front and one in the rear. That gives you all-wheel drive automatically. And with electric motors, you get instant torque, which is amazing for off-roading. When you press the pedal, the power is just there immediately. No waiting, no revving, just smooth, instant pull. That instant torque is actually a big advantage over traditional gas engines, especially on rocky trails or steep climbs. Electric vehicles can control power to each wheel very precisely, which helps with traction. So even though it's electric, this isn't some city crossover pretending to be tough. It's designed to be trail-rated. Jeep has also mentioned advanced traction systems and selectable terrain modes, similar to what you'd find in the Wrangler. So whether you're driving on sand, mud, snow, or rocks, the Recon should be able to adjust and handle it confidently. There's even talk of electronic locking differentials and serious underbody protection. That means skid plates and reinforced areas underneath, so you don't have to worry about damaging critical components when you're out exploring. And here's something cool. Because it's electric, the Recon will likely have a low center of gravity thanks to the battery pack mounted in the floor. That helps stability on uneven terrain. So even though it's tall and rugged, it should feel planted and controlled. Now, stepping inside, this is where things get interesting. Jeep is clearly moving toward a more modern interior experience. Expect a large central touchscreen, a fully digital instrument cluster, and updated infotainment software. It'll probably support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus over-the-air updates, so the system keeps improving over time. But here's what I love. Jeep isn't turning this into some overly luxurious, delicate interior. From what we've seen, it still looks durable. Easy-to-clean materials, rubberized surfaces, weather-resistant finishes, because let's be honest, if you're buying a Jeep like this, you're probably going to get it dirty at some point. There's also talk about removable roof panels, similar to the Wrangler, giving you that open-sky driving experience. That's something a lot of electric SUVs just don't offer. Jeep clearly understands that their buyers want adventure, not just